Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying a restore point exists and opening the recovery tools. Open Settings, type Recovery, then choose Recovery Open System Restore. Once done, pick a restore point from the list to see affected programs. Make sure to save all files and close apps because Windows will restart. This step prevents data loss and gives you a snapshot to return to. It's the foundation for the entire restore process, so don't skip confirming the date and description of the point. Next, you'll select the best restore point and inspect consequences. Choose the one closest before the issue began, then click Scan for affected programs to view what will be removed or restored. This helps you understand risks and whether to reinstall apps afterward. Once satisfied, click Next and confirm the restore. Windows will prepare files and then restart automatically. Let it complete without interrupting power or forcing shutdown, because interruption can leave the system unstable. After the restart, Windows will apply the Restore and report success or failure. You'll log back in and verify the problem is resolved. Reinstall any removed apps as needed. If the restore fails, boot into safe mode and retry system restore. Safe mode reduces interference. Make sure to run System File Checker, SFC/Scano, and DISM to repair corrupted components. If you still hit issues, note error codes and consider using a recovery drive or resetting Windows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.